Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick Kotlin tutorial, we are going to talk about how to handle null values in when expressions. This is useful when working with optional values or nullable types in Kotlin. So in Kotlin, we often encounter null values because of the language null safety feature. When working with the nullable type, you can use a when expression to handle null cases efficiently. Let's say we have a variable of a nullable type. So let me create a variable here, and it is going to be a string type, and I'll make it nullable, and I will assign the null value to this variable. So this means name can either be a string or null. Now we can use a when expression to handle both scenarios. So for that, first I'm going to create a variable here which will get the value from when expression. Here I will pass the argument name to this when expression. Here first I will handle the null case, and I will return no name provided. Otherwise I will return hello and name. So here I will print the result as well. Okay, let's run this to see. Okay, so in this example, if the name is null, the when expression returns the string no name provided. Otherwise, it returns hello followed by the name. You can also handle multiple cases including null. So let's see this, how can we achieve that? And for that, I'm going to change the name of this variable to number, and I'm going to change the type to integer here. And here I will assign the number as an argument. And first we will handle the null case here. So for that, I'm going to change the string, and I will say the number is null. And the other case would be we will check the number in range. So if number is in range of 1 to 10, we will return number is between 1 and 10. And in the else case, we will say number is something else. Okay, let's run this code first. Okay, so it has come into the null case here. So in this case, if the number is null, it prints number is null. If it falls within the range of 1 to 10, it prints that range here. And for any other value, it prints a number is something else. So Kotlin's when expression makes it very simple to handle multiple cases, including null, in a clean and readable way. So that's it for this Kotlin tutorial. Now you know how to handle null values using when expressions in Kotlin. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Kotlin tips. See you in the next one.